Dr. Hassanian is currently a postdoctoral research fellow at the Center for Kurdish Studies, University of Exeter. His research interests comprise contemporary Kurdish politics, Kurdish nationalism and national movement, civil society, and political and cultural activism in Iranian Kurdistan. Dr. Hassanian has published in various platforms, and he's one of the few experts on Kurdistana Roshalat, or Iranian Kurdistan. Welcome, Kakalan. The floor is yours now, and you have 7, maximum 10 minutes. Thank you for joining again today. It's yours.
Well, first of all, thank you very much for having me, and Rojbash, Jbuhamulayaki. I hope that you are all doing well through these unsettled days. I try to quite briefly shed light on the condition of the Kurdish language in the Iranian Kurdistan, Rojhalat, and well, how the state is well dealing with Kurdish and how it has actually had dealt with this language through this last century of Kurdish politics in Rojhalat. So first of all, I'm not an expert of language or Kurdish literature at all. It's mainly from a political perspective. So saying that is there any education or getting any education possible currently in Rojhalat? Well, it is a quite complex situation for Kurdish language in Rojhalat. First of all, I may say that there are 3 main dialects of Kurdish: Sorani, Kurmanji, and Hawrami. Sorani, or maybe Kurmanji, which in Rojhalat is called Shkaki, is mainly the dialect spoken by the Kurdish population in northern Rojhalat, and Hawrami is mainly on the southern part, which means around Sanandaj or Sna, Mariwan, and Kirmashan, and so on. And then the remaining, which is the majority of Kurdish speaking, is central, western, and part of the southern, southern geographical part of Rojhalat are speaking Kurmanji. So going back to the question whether there is possible to receiving any language in Sorani, as I said, well, it's a complex question to answer, because since the last 2 decades there have been some attempts, mainly taken by Kurdish civil society, and some requirement raised by a different section, could be cultural activists and so on. So currently there are some optional module of Kurdish which makes possible for higher students at higher level to receive some kind of Kurdish education in Kurdish language and literature, and it is mainly offered by University of Kurdistan, which is based in the capital city of the Kurdish province, Sanandaj. So at that level, there's some possibility. Well, thanks to these Kurdish scholars, mainly because they have been really subject to different form of state violence and repression, and they have been excluded, and quite securitized situation they are actually operating under. And for lower, or maybe better to say primary or secondary school, well, there are no education offered for Kurdish speaking in Iran. And like other part of Kurdistan, mainly Bakur, Kurdish language and Kurdish culture in Rojhalat for a short period in the 1930s, 40s have been abandoned, though never Kurdish being abandoned at a level like, for example, Bakur. And compared to Bashur, which the situation is quite different. So there have been some possibilities publication at the through these recent decades has flourished, even though we are witnessing that every day one publication opened, another day two will be closed. But still, the Kurdish civil society and Kurdish academic have contributed to actually to publish load of magazines, weeklies, monthlies, and so on. So it is promising, despite like considering the Kurdish situation in Iran. So in this regard, we can see some improvement. Another element of the Kurdish language in Iran is that the state tried to monopolize this intellectual era, this literature, anything published, and even they debate about Kurdish like any other language rather than Farsi in Iran. For example, states is articulating Kurdish language as a guyish, means as a dialect, or as a lahja, means actually a Kurdish, Azeri, Baluchi, and so on, is a sub-dialect of Farsi. But thanks to, again, to Kurdish civil society, they are quite resistant to this way state is articulating Kurdish identity and Kurdish language. So, I don't know how long, how more minutes do I have. So the situation has improved, not because the opening of the situation, but because the Kurdish civil society, as a part of the Kurdish movement, have really paid a huge price for use the Kurdish language as a channel to improve the Kurdish right. And states, our state in Iran, aware of this, Kurdish attempt actually has securitized this field and has actually viewed Kurdish language as a more and huge kind of threat to its existence rather than actually the armed struggle, because state has in some regard has succeeded to put under control the Kurdish insurgency. Though when it's come to Kurdish language, we can see the situation is quite different. So yeah, it is the condition of Kurdish language in Iran and how it has been politicized from both sides, means from the Kurdish side and the Iranian side. Yeah.
Just a gentle correction. Thank you very much, Alan. It came out probably not deliberately. When you mentioned about the three dialects where they were spoken, the
Yes.
Hawrami was spoken in southern, and Kurmanji, what they call Shkaki in Rojhelat, is in northern Rojhelat of Kurdistan. The mid areas of Rojhelat and some part of southern of Rojhelat is Sorani, not Kurmanji. It came out as Kurmanji, just to correct.
Thank you very much. Yeah, you're right. Kurmanji is mainly spoken in Urumia, Khoy, Salmas, and Mako, which is the northern part of Rojhelat.
Okay, thank you very much. And this is all from us today.
Thank you very much.
Kek mithat u kek Alan, gelek spas jbo tevlibuna oya iro jbo agahien tedai. First, I want to thank everyone who sent their homework. What was the homework? First, you were going to read this article and answer these questions, which you have got this text with you. I have sent you via email, and then also you were going to write the same for yourself. Same as Heye, you were going to introduce yourself. So I want to go through that again for one time, and please, whoever hasn't done their homework, to do it. So Navemin Heye, my name is Heye. As Kurdistanime, I am from Kurdistan. As 23 salime, I'm 23 years old. As London edishim, I live in London. As Zaningaha Soase Khwandekarim, I'm a student in SOAS University. As Bimalbata Khware Dminim, as Bimalbata خوره دمینم. I live with my family, like I stay with my family actually. It is the verb is man, and that's how we use it in present tense. Man, to stay. As b'malbata خوره دمینم, I stay with my family. If I wanted to say I live with my family, as بمالباتا خوره دژیم. So I live with my family now. As بمالباتا خوره دمینم, I stay with my family. As بمالباتا خوره دژیم, I live with my family. And in here, the preposition of with is bere. I will come back to that. Bere. Malame, our home. We had a question in email, is mal and khani is the same thing? So just think in English. Mal is home, and khani is a house. So mal is home, khani is a house. So khani, it means a kind of building, your house, but as a building, your house. Ev khani meye, this is our house, but mal is more warm and as a family. So this is our home. Mala me. So mala me le haringeye. So le haringeye. Our house is in Haringey. Mala min London, mala min Kurdistan. So my home is in Kurdistan. The mala me de pench kes hene. So there are 5 people in our house. The mala me de. Sorry, I should have de here as well. So de is another preposition which we worked on last week, is in. The mala mede in our house, pinch 5 kes hene. So there are 5 people in our house. So bav, father, bave min, my father, daik, mother, daika min, my mother. Which last week we worked on a, what they mean, the definite nouns, the suffixes a and a. A is masculine, bave min, braye min. A is feminine, daika min, khushka min, and also can be used for other object which the gender is female. As you see here as well, khushka min, my sister, braye min, my brother. Bra is the brother, but because it is ended in a vowel, which is a, then we use y. So braye min, us, and me. Bave min, my father, daika min, my mother, khushka min, my sister, braye min, my brother, and me. Nave bave min bawere. Nave bave min bawere. Ew mamosteye. Ew mamosteye. He is a teacher. Nave daika min khajeye. My mother's name is Heye. Ew bijishke. She is doctor. Nave braye min arase. So my brother's name is Aras. Ew khwandekare. He is student. Nave khushka min zelale. My sister's name is Zelal. The homework was answering this question. So now, heavy. Let's delete this part. Okay. So now Vemen Hevia. So the question is Nave we cheer. What is his name? Nave we cheer. Nave we Heavy. So his name is Heavy. Nave techie. What is your name? Nave te che. So che is what? Nave techie. Nave men Ahmed. My name is Ahmed. So ev chi kari dike? Ev chi kari dike? Let's have a look. Ev chi kari dike khwandekare. Okay? So that means he's a student. So ev khwandekare. So if the question was to you, do chi kari diki? Chi kari diki. What do you do? Like, what is your job? You could say as khwandekarem. I am a student. باشه تو چی کاری دکی؟ او چی کاری دکی? What does he or she? So this question could be, because او, as I said before, او can mean he or she. So او چی کاری دکی? تو چی کاری دکی? And as you see the ending, when it is او, is a, and when it's to is e, which we saw in the first lesson, verb to be, which is am, is, are, and how they work. As خواننده‌کارم, I am a student. So او چند سالیه؟ کام بنیرن هیوی چند سالیه؟ 23. Okay? Yani او 23 سالیه. So he is 23 years old. Du çend saliyi? So how old are you? As 23 salime. So I'm writing this to let you know the difference between the endings, you know, which we done before, but there might be some of you who missed the other lessons. So ev jikuye, hevi jikuye, hevi ji Kurdistaniye, hevi je Kurdistaniye, yani ev je Kurdistaniye. So instead I could use hevi, his name, hevi ji Kurdistaniye, anji ev je Kurdistaniye. Tu jikuyi, as je Kurdistanime. As je Kurdistanime. So I am from Kurdistan. As je Kurdistanime. باشه هوالین وکی من گوتی هوالین کو سپارتکا خو چه نکرین دکارن به همان رنگی چه بکن ام دکارن چند پرسندیجی بکن. So if I want to ask what is his sister's name, ناوی خوشگا وی چیه؟ Okay? ناوی خوشگا وی چیه؟ ناوی وی چیه؟ What is his name? ناوی خوشگا وی چیه? What is his sister's name? So the answer, nave khushka wi zela le. So if I wanted to ask about his father, nave bave wi chie. Nave bave wi chie. Nave bave wi chie. Em nizanin nave bave wi chie. Em dizanin. Nave bave wi bawere. Nave bave wi bawere. Nave bave te chie? What is your father's name? Bave te chie. Başı? Nave bave min bawere. Okay, and if you want to ask what is your friend's name, nave hevala te chie? Nave hevala te chie? Or nave hevale te chie? So if I am asking, as in this sentence, nave hevala te chie, which I am asking about your friend, but a female one. So nave hevala men, nave hevala men, Maria ye. Nave hevala men, Maria ye. So when heval has a suffix, we know it is feminine, and the question is about female or feminine object. Hevale. So nave hevale te chie? Nave hevale men. Nave hevale men. Nave hevale men. Renase. Renase. Okay. So my friend's name is Renas. Basha. And if I want to say, what is your father doing? Like, what's his job? Then bave te chikari dike. Bave te chikari dike. Okay? Daika te chikari dike. Daika te chikari dike. And if you want to ask about their age, bave te chend saliye, bave te chend saliye. Or daika te chend saliye, khushka te chend saliye, brai te chend saliye. and it can continue. Okay, and if you want to ask where they are from, or Braite Jikuye, okay, Braite Jikuye, or Braite Lukuye, Braite Likuye. So some people mix up Le and Je, which I saw in some of your homeworks. Some of you has mixed up these two. Okay, but Braite Jikuye, where is your brother? Where your brother is from? Or let's say Tujikui. Okay, Tujikui, Tulikui. Okay, Tujikui, where are you from? Tulikui, where are you? As le Londonema, I am in London. Tujikui, where are you from? As je Londonema. So I am from London. I am in London. I say, tu naha le kui. Tu naha le kui. Where are you now? Tu naha le kui. As le Londonais me. On as naha le Londonais me. Okay, during our lessons, we will be doing a bit more than these questions, but let's pass to Rojen Hafte. Okay, days of the week. I know many of you already know, but I want to go in this way. So Iro, which means today, Iro. Sabah, which is tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow, and sesba, okay? So after 2 days. That's how you would use. And then de, okay? De, yesterday. Eğer ez bu xajim rojik dinci paşta biçim per, which is 2 days ago, okay? 2 days ago. And better per, which is 3 days ago. Okay, so each day has got a name. So let's say Iro düşeme, no? Düşem. Iro düşeme. Do yekşembu. Better per şemi bu, şemi, u better per ji in bu. Sıbe seşeme, seşem, u düsbe çarşeme, u sesbe benç şemme, roja deji yine. Ka em ji rêzê de wan binivîsin. Em li vir jî wan hinkî sor bikin. Baş. Em ji yekşemê dest pê bikin. An jî ji duşemê dest pê bikin. Duşem. Yani îro duşem. Duşem, sêşem, çarşem, پنجشنبه این و شمی یکشنبه دوشنبه Monday iro دوشنبه which is two دوشنبه سهشنبه چهارشنبه پنجشنبه. So if you want to link it with the numbers, so to be able to remember, Dushem, Monday, Se-shem, Char-shem, and Pen-shem. Then we have In, which is Friday, Shemi, Saturday, Yekshem, Sunday. So Shemi u Yekshem, Dawiya Hafte. Dawiya Hafte. Okay, so weekend. داویا هفته شمی و یکشم داویا هفته یه داویا هفته وقتا از بخوازم ببیجیم what day is today ایرو چیه اوکی ایرو چیه اور ایرو چه روزه ایرو چه روزه so what day is today even without rosh when you say ایرو چیه people will know what you mean what is today ایرو چه روزه what day is today so ایرو چیه روزه ایرو دوشنبه ایرو دوشنبه so ایرو دوشنبه ایرو دوشنبه ایرو دوشنبه so today is Monday okay سبه چیه سبه چه یه what is tomorrow or you can say سبه چه روزه and in some part of Kurdistan سبه کیجان روزه like which day is tomorrow سبه کیجان روزه but the quickest and easiest one سبه چیه once you say سبه چیه people will know you are asking about what day is tomorrow so سبه سه شنبه so tomorrow is Tuesday and if you are asking about past then ده چه بو so چیه when it's about today or tomorrow okay سبه چیه what is tomorrow but when it comes to past about past ده چه بو what was today yesterday ده یکشنبه بو so ده چه بو what was yesterday Anji you can again say roj bu ده چه روز بو so bu so ye becomes bu as in as par خوندکار بو or as ایسال خوندکارم as ایسال خوندکارم ایسال is this year par last year ایسال par last year خوندکارم so as ایسال خوندکارم I am student this year as par خوندکار بوم I was student last year so am boom and you remember about Heye Hene okay let's say psikeke min Heye psikeke min Heye I have a cat psikeke min Heye if I said psikeke min Hebû that means it's past so psikeke min Heye I have a cat psikeke min Hebû I had a cat so and in here as خوندکارم as خوندکار boom de psiken min Hene so I have two cat Heye which is singular Hene is plural which we worked on them last week okay de psiken min Hebûn so Hebû is singular again psikeke min Hebû so the only difference is n de psiken min Hebûn de psiken min Hebûn arabeyeke min Heye I have a car de arabeyen min Hene okay so I have two car Hene Heye arabeyeke min Heye I have a car de arabeyen min Hene I have two car arabeyeke min Hebû, I had a car. Du arabeyn min hebûn. Du arabeyn min hebûn. I had two car. Hebûn. Okay, so when it is plural, hebûn, and when it is singular, hebû. And in present, heye, when it is singular, hene, when it is plural. Arabeyke min tuneye, which we did again, I'm not going too much last week. Arabeyke min tuneye, I don't have a car. Du arabeyn min tunene, and this is the negative form. Du arabeyn min hene, I have two cars. Du arabeyn min tunene, I don't have two cars. So arabeyke min hebû, I had a car. So now I didn't have a car. Arabeyke min tunebu. Tuneye, tunebu. Başa, tuneye, don't have. Tunebu, didn't have, which means in the past. And for plural, tunebun, tunebun, tunebun. So Arabeyke min hebû, I had a car. Arabeyke min tunebu, I didn't have a car. Du arabeyn min hebûn, I had two cars. Du arabeyn min tunebun, I didn't have two cars. Me va neke me heye. Okay, we have a guest. Me va neke me heye. Me va neki me heye. We have a guest. Me va nek. Me vorinen. Me vanin me hene. Anji me vanin me hebûn. So me vaneke me heye. So we have a guest, but the only thing we know, the guest is female. So me vaneki me heye, we have a guest. The guest is male. Me vanin me hene, we have guests. So in plural, we don't have a gender. So me vanin me hebûn, we had guests. We had guests. So past tense, but in plural. Me vanin me hebûn. Me vaneke me heye, and if I wanted to say we had a guest, me vaneke me hebû. Me vaneke me heye, me vaneke me hebû. Me vaneke me hebû. So this is the only difference. Heye, hebû, hene, hebûn. Hebûn. Me vaneme hebûn. Başa. So let's come to what time is it? What time is it? Saat çende. Okay? Saat çende. Saat çende, what time is it? So normally ç is what in Kurdish? Ç is what? Okay? What is your name? Navivice, what is his name? Fçiye, what is this? Fçiye, what is this? Fçiye, what is this? What is this? Fçiye. Pertuka. This is a book. Okay? Ç is what? But you know, in English we ask the question about time, we say what. But in Kurdish we use çend as an interrogative pronoun. Çend, which is how many. Okay? How many? How many? Tu çend sali. Tu çend sali. Okay? In English you would say how old are you? But in Kurdish çend sali like is a kind of how many years you are, but what it means is how old are you. As çel sali, as çel sali me, I am 40 years old. So çend is how many. Çıkas is how much. Çıkas, how much. But çend is how many. And what is çe? So the phrase of the question in many languages can change. Okay, we use how many when we ask the time, but in English we would say what. We would use what as a interrogative noun. Okay, saat çende. What time is it? Let's say if it was 1. Go from the easiest one. Okay. Okay, so it is 1 o'clock. Okay, 1 o'clock. Saat is very easy. Saat yek e. Okay, saat yeka. Saat yeke. Saat yeke. It is 1. Okay, and then saat yek u ni ve. Saat yek u ni ve. So all I added is niv. Niv means half in Kurdish. Saat yek, 1, u, and niv, and half. So 1:30. Okay? Saat yek u ni ve. Saat yek u ni ve. And let's say if it was 1:15. Okay? So 1/4 means çaryek in Kurdish. Saat yek u çaryek e. Saat yek u çaryeke. Saat yek u çaryeke. Yek u çaryeke. Saat yek u çaryeke. So çaryek means 1/4. So 1/4 Saat yek u nive. And if it was 45. Okay. Saat du kem çaryeke now. Okay, du kem çaryeke. Saat du kem çaryeke, which means 1/4 to. Is du. That's how you can remember du to. Kem çaryeke. So 1/4. So kem is miss, like so 2 misses 1/4. That's how you would exact translate it, but it means 1/4 to. Saat du kem çaryeke. So the most important word in here is kem. Kem. Let's say if it was 1:05. So 1:05, let's say. Saat yek u penj e. Okay, so there are a few other ways to say this time as well, but that makes it harder and longer. Let's give you an example. Saat je yeke penj daqiqa debore. Debore. Okay, so you can say in this way, which is longer and more complicated. Saat je yeke penj daqiqa. So 5 minutes, debore passes yek 1. Okay, so you can use in this way as well, but all you need to say saat yek u penj, 1:05. Okay, and which is understood. You can say yek u penj daqiqa. Yek u penj daqiqa is minute. Okay, saat yek u penj daqiqa. But even when you say yek u penj, everybody will understand what you are saying. Okay, saat yek u penj. And what if it was 5 to 2? Okay, penj u penj. ساعت یک sorry دو کم پنج باشه ساعت دو کم پنج ساعت دو کم پنج ساعت دو کم چاریکه a quarter to two ساعت دو کم پنج a five to two. As I said earlier, you can say okay ساعت دو کم پنج دقیقه also. So دقیقه is minute, نیف half, چاریک a quarter. Okay, one more thing. Okay, last week or a week before, we worked on the timeline of the day. Okay, let's have a look again. So because one can be in the night, in the midnight, which we would call it in the morning, which is in the mid of the night, but a lot of people call it morning. Okay, so this is Nivro. Okay, this line is Nivro. And then we've got Pishti Nivro, Pishti Nivro, Pishti Nivro. And then we've got Beri Nivro. So Beri Nivro. Okay, so Beri Nivro before noon, Pishti Nivro afternoon. Beri Nivro before noon, Pishti Nivro afternoon. And then we've got Evar here, Evar, and then Shev. And then we've got Sabah here. Okay, Sabah. Pasha. So if Saat Yek, okay, Saat Yek e Sheve. Saat Yek e Sheve. Okay, so 1 in the night, which in English you take it as AM because you would take it as morning, 1 in the morning. But in Kurdish, we call it still night. So, okay, Saat Yeke Sheve, Saat Yeke Sheve. We don't say 1 in the morning, we say 1 in the night because to us 1 is still night. But if I say Saat Yeke Nivro, So 1 in noon, 1 in noon. That's how we call it. Even you can say Yeke Pishti Nivro, or just Nivro. Pishti Nivro, Anji, Pish. So you can describe whatever you are talking about. Okay. Saat Yeke Sabahi. Saat, let's say Nehe Sabahi. Okay. So 9 a.m. So 9 in the morning. Nehe Sabahi. Anji Saat Nehe Evare. Okay. Saat Nehe Evare. Evar. So 9 p.m. and 9 a.m. So we don't use AM, PM, but maybe in the future, we might be able to use PN and BN. Okay, but that's not used really now. That's how they would describe it. ساعت یک شبه، ساعت یک پشت نیرو، ساعت نه صبح، ساعت نه ایوا ری، ساعت نه ایوا ری، ساعت نه ایوا ری. Okay. Oh, if توی ساعت ده چندان توی ساعت ده چندان ده بچی. Okay, what time will you go? توی ساعت ده چندان ده بچی. In future tense. از ساعت ده از ساعت ده از ساعت ده پنجان ده بچم. Okay, so I will go at 5. At 5. I mentioned last week as well. Okay, in English, with numbers, with days, with months, with years, they use different preposition. Like on Monday at 5 o'clock, in 2020, or in March. So for each of them, they use different preposition. But in Kurdish, okay, let's say, come back. So with time, we use de again in as a de meha adare de bichim. Okay, as a meha adare de bichim. I will go in March. The maha adare de. So again, I used the same preposition which I used with the time. As a de sala 2021 de bichim. Okay, I will go in 2021. So again, the. So when it comes to day, so as Rojen düşeman Kurdi hin dibim. So I learn Kurdish on Mondays. As Rojen düşeman Kurdi hin dibim. Some part they do use the Rojen düşeman de. Okay, as the Rojen düşeman de Kurdi hin dibim. So grammatically, you can use this preposition here, but also you don't have to as well. So both of them will be correct. So in both ways, it is used. As the Rojen düşeman de Kurdi hin dibim, I learn Kurdish in Mondays, but also without preposition, you can also use. As Rojen düşeman Kurdi hin dibim. So I learn Kurdish on Mondays. Başı as the Rojen düşeman de Kurdi hin dibim. Okay, I think this is enough about the time. I think it's clear, and I will send it to you as well. Okay, so some before, because we will have a little poll, like a kind of quick test as well. So before that, maybe it will be good to do some greetings and farewells. So we can start with Tu bikhair hati. Okay, Tu bikhair hati. Or love. Okay, on the first day, I did tell you about Beani bash, Roj bash, Evar bash, and Shev bash. Okay, and then you can use dem bash in any time of the day. Dem bash, evening, morning, noon, it doesn't matter. Dem bash for 24 hours. Dem bash. Dem is time, bash is good. Dem, time, like a kind of good time. Beani is morning, beani bash, good morning. Rosh bash can be used instead beani bash as well, good day. Evar bash, evar is evening, evar bash. Shev is night, shev bash. So apart from that, like Slav, love, love. And then, so it depends on the situation really, where you are seeing them sometimes as well. So if you are entering somewhere, some factories or somewhere that somebody is working, when you arrive there, instead Slav, you could start with Awad ba, okay? So there is no really translation in English. They say take it easy, but you can't start with take it easy in first. So it's a kind of greeting, and also say you tell the person like take it easy. Qawad ba. So you can start with qawad ba, or you can start with Slav. So tu bkhair hati, which is welcome. Tu bkhair hati, to you. If you are telling to more than one person, hun bkhair hatin. Hun bkhair hatin. So tu bkhair hati for one, hun bkhair hatin, you plural. Hun bkhair hatin. So the answer, khair litaba. Khair litaba. So somebody tell you to bkhair hati, all you need to say khair litaba. If you can't remember khair litaba or seems to be difficult, so just say spas. Spas. Okay? So spas means thank you. To bkhair hati, khair litaba. Actually, the exact translation is like the good, the faith will be to be with you. Okay? And then you say, you repeat that khair, you pass the khair, like the good part, to him again. Okay? To bkhair hati, you came by good faith, and then you say whatever good is. Let's take it. Okay. Hun bkhair hatin, as I said, spas, and then spas khwesh is the answer to spas. Okay? Spas, thank you. Spas khwesh. Spas khwesh, which means you're welcome. Spas khwesh. But if you went to somewhere and they cooked for you, or they made a coffee for you, you can say spas, thank you, or dast khwesh. Okay? Dast khwesh. Or destinte saben. Okay? Destinte saben. So you are not thanking to him, actually, you are thanking to his hands in this case. Destinte saben. Destinte saben. And sometimes you would say, like, if you are really happy, to her happy. To her happy. So you should exist always. So it's a kind of phrase, because this kind of phrase and greetings can't be really 100% translated to another language. Okay. To her happy. Slav, qawad ba, tu bkhair hati, khair litaba. And then, okay, we talked about tu bkhair hati, but when you leave to say goodbye, be khatre ta. And if you go to, by the way, if you go to that Google Drive link I have sent to you, in the folder, you will see primary content, and in primary content you have 15 subjects, and 2 of them are full with these greetings and farewells. So you can find all of them with their English translations as well, which will be more than here. So b'khatre ta, let's say you are leaving the house, and I am staying in the house. So it is you to say b'khatre ta. So the one who leaves says b'khatre ta, and you say oghur ba. So goodbye, oghur ba. B'khatre ta, the one who goes, who leaves the house. Oghur ba, the one who stays. Oghur Oğur be. Oğur be. So لخوا مقاتبه. لخوا باش بنره. Or hay جخوا هبه. So there are a lot of more ways to say take care of yourself, or similar phrases in that way. So لما خوا مقاتبه, take care of yourself. لخوا باش بنره, look after yourself well. هاي جخوا هبه, again, be careful. Okay, so be careful. لخوا باش بنره, look after yourself well. Or take care of yourself. But all of them you can use in the same situation. Okay, لخوا مقاتبه, لخوا باش بنره, هاي جخوا هبه. And always you start with, after hello, the next question is always, how are you? Du chawa yi. Du chawa yi. How are you? Du chawa yi. Ez başım, or ez ne başım. Ez ne başım. So ez başım, I am good, I am well. Ez ne başım, I am not well. Ez başım, ez ne başım. Anji, ez ne xoşım. Ez ne xoş, ne xoşım. I am ill. Okay? Ez başım, I am good. Ez ne başım, I'm not good. Ez ne xoşım, I am ill. Ez ne xoşım. Ez ne xoşım. And in the first week, when we did the introducing, I did mention, but let's remind you again. Ez be nasinate, ez be nasinate de kef xoş bum. Ez be nasinate kef xoş bum. So glad to meet you. Ez be nasina, you met someone in the beginning, and after the introducing, you can say ez be nasinate kef xoş bum. Du çawayi. So these are the questions we learned in these 3-4 weeks. Du çend salî yî. Du çi karî dikî. Du ji ku yî. Why it is this correction? The only way I can get rid of this, I need to find, it is Hindi, because when if I say it is English and then don't check the spelling or grammar, it doesn't work. But when I say it is Hindi and don't check the spelling and grammar, then it works. Hindi. Okay, now it's gone. Okay, so tu çawayi, tu çend salî, tu çi karî dikî, tu ji ku yî, tu diçî ku, where are you going? Tu diçî ku, tu li ku yî, tu li ku yî, navê te çi ye? Okay, so çawa, çawa, çend, çi, ku, ku again, dise ku, u, çi. Okay, tu çawayi, how are you? Tu çend salî, how old are you? Tu çi karî dikî, what job are you doing? What do you do? Tu ji ku yî, where are you from? Tu diçî ku, where are you going? Tu li ku yî, where are you? Navê te çi ye? What is your name? And I think we can answer these, you can answer these questions as well. I think it is enough here. I will come back to your questions for 10 minutes. Then we have a special guest as well. But I have someone in GoToMeeting, and I won't be able to add them. I'm really sorry, friends in GoToMeeting. I'm going to do a short poll with friends in Zoom. As I said, let's see, we do have a space in Zoom. So can you please, the one who can you please come to Zoom?
ما مستکاری هندکن کاری کی پیروزه
Gelek spase valo.
راستی جی کاری کی ام ببین خالا نتویتی یا هری گرینگ زمان یعنی چند افجی هم بکتینن باج ما مسر بلندیه که نرخه کی مزنه گلک سپاس کن جو کدامه
Spaskum. So, dear friends, so we have a very well-known, famous Kurdish musician from Baku, Kurdistan, Seyda Perinçek.
بله مرحبا جدو و حمو تماشاوان ره حمو بشتروان ره همجی سلاو و رئیس خواه جوارا پیشکش کن براستی جی دوان روژه که هرکس هندرا دیه و درونیا انسانا دا آستا هم ببین دا آستا مورال و موتیواسیونا مره خرابه که دوی آسته ده گرانیاوی هیه اف کاری هندکن براستی جی مورال کی مزن روحا کی مزن بمرا چه دکی بیرو باوریا کی مزن چه دکی زمانه کردی دیگه هر دره ظالم برین ملول هارکه روح و بدنم جهب سارکه خون و خیال من بلاکه و او فلک لهب هارکه مگو دلو ما نبسو آی آی دگونا بلا ببن خالی ازی به عشق ببن سلی بگادلا وله نکاره آی آی دگو ازی راکم بیباری تو خوش بردی بده آلی سوی مامل بر دریا وما عبدال بهدیا خبر نهاد جبال رویا حسرت ماما بسکو کزیا نگو دلو ما نبسه آی آی نگو نابلا ببن خالی ازه به عشق ببن سلی بگادلا وله نکاره آی آی نگو خوش بني بدالي أبجيش تماما باش تعرفانا بالأولي من دل خداي دبهم وراناي من دل خداي دبهم وراناي وأبجان كتياناي نغم ما ياري أبجان كتياناي نغم ما ياري أزدقير مسمو بس عمري من همو وبليس توكادينا تلقو بحرا غما هي ظالمي صالجو اللي بما نكبر سبرما صالجو اللي بما نكبر سبرما أسكتي نغم ما ياريو أزمري وما نغم ما ياريو بومچو که سردارا باسکیم برین دارا بومچو که سردارا باسکیم برین دارا سیگوان کشتیم خارا نغم ما یاریم سیگوان کشتیم خارا نغم ما یاریم از دقیرم سمو بس عمري بنمو وبليس توقعتينو تلقو بحرا غما هي ظالمي مسكين بدن دردي ببين كتيا اخي مسكين بدن دردي ببين كتيا اخي من واسيات نابي نغم ما ياريم من واسيات نابي نغم
خاصة before
Thank you.